Kevin Costner demands a judge dismiss sexual harassment lawsuit filed by alleged serial accuser. Kevin Costner is fighting back against a sexual harassment lawsuit and has asked the judge to dismiss the case. The lawsuit was filed by stunt performer Devin LaBella, who alleges she was subjected to an unscripted and violent simulated rape scene on the set of Horizon, an American saga Chapter 2 without proper consent, notice, or the presence of a mandatory intimacy coordinator. Kevin Costner called LaBella's claims absolutely false, adding that he found it to be deeply disappointing that a colleague would try to embarrass him and damage his reputation. Kevin Costner wants judge to dismiss sexual harassment lawsuit against him. Costner is looking to have a sexual harassment lawsuit filed against him by a stunt performer on his Western movie Dismissed. Devin LaBella performed as a stunt double for lead actress Ella Hunt, but claimed in a legal document that she was made to perform an unscripted rape scene without notice on the set of the second installment back in May 2023. However, Costner denied her claims as absolutely false, explaining in a new court document obtained by TMZ that she was happy during the shoot and even sent a text to a supervisor expressing her joy after wrapping up work on set. "Thank you for these wonderful weeks. I so appreciate you. I learned so much. And thank you again. I'm really happy it worked out the way it did, too. Have a great rest of the shoot. And yes, talk soon." LaBella purportedly wrote in the text. The actor's lawyers denied the allegations according to the complaint. LaBella's contract, governed by SAJIA, required 48 hours notice for any scenes involving simulated sex or nudity and is still subject to performer's approval. The document stated that Hunt's contract required a coordinator for all intimacy scenes, but weeks into filming, and without incident, LaBella was told to stand in for the actress during a scripted, aggressive, and intimate rape scene due to its physical nature. She claims the scene was an impromptu addition by Costner after the film's lead actress allegedly refused to perform it, and that the event left her traumatized and experiencing reminders of shame, humiliation, and complete lack of control. However, Costner, via his lawyers Marty Singh and T. Wayne Harmon, has denied the allegations, disputing LaBella's account of events, stating, "There was no anger or resentment, only enthusiasm and gratitude after the filming of the movie." Kevin Costner gives his own account. The Yellowstone actor, in a declaration, insisted that there was no violent rape scene on his set, as he went further to share his version of events. Costner claims that on the day in question, LaBella was shooting a scene with actor Roger Ivans in a covered wagon, and that she was fully clothed in an ankle-length dress with bike shorts underneath as they lay next to each other. Ivans then pulled up the hem of her dress and swung his legs over her body, which led to a situation where he fully covered her, but that was reportedly all that happened. There was no nudity, rape, simulated sex, or physical contact between LaBella and Ivans. The actor went further to say that while LaBella's dress may have been pulled up to her knees, the gown was always below her waist, and the pantaloons and petticoats were never touched. The alleged victim claims she has suffered permanent trauma due to the scene. LaBella claimed that the incident greatly affected her career, and it left her with permanent trauma that she will be required to address for years to come. According to People magazine, she began therapy in June 2023 to address symptoms of her alleged experience, such as sleep disturbance, fears of intimacy, and anxiety. You might be interested in these. "On that day, I was left exposed, unprotected, and deeply betrayed by a system that promised safety and professionalism," she told a news outlet in a statement. "What happened to me shattered my trust and forever changed how I move through this industry." Kevin Costner's lawyer slams LaBella as a serial accuser. Costner's lawyer, Singer, slammed LaBella as a serial accuser and that her claims have absolutely no merit and are completely contradicted by her own actions and the facts. He shared that the actor always wants to make sure that everyone is comfortable working on his films and takes safety on set very seriously. The lawyer also accused her of employing shakedown tactics, claiming that the alleged scene got the green light from her and that she'd even rehearsed it with another actor prior to filming. "The facts are clear, and we are beyond confident that Kevin will prevail," Singh concluded.